In today's video, I'm going to show you how to group your rows and columns here in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So if you want to group some rows and columns, here's how to do it. To be able to group your rows, you'll have to select a group of rows. So let me zoom in right here. To select your rows, all you have to do would be to tap on the left side where your numbers are. Then to select the number of rows that you want to group together, you have these dots that are colored blue, and all you have to do would be to drag them up or down to select those rows. Now I've selected rows numbers 9 to 18 to group together, and to group them together, I'm just going to tap on those selected rows and keep tapping on that arrow pointing to the right until the option of group 9 to 18 appear. Here we have it. So if I tap on that, there we go. We have that minus sign at the left side of our rows where we have the choice of collapsing those group rows together. There we have it. Or expanding them. There you go. So the minus sign would be to collapse or to hide those group rows. And to expand them would be to tap on the plus sign. There you have it. So we have grouped those rows. Let's try and group our columns. So to group your columns again, make sure to select those columns that you want to group together. I'm going to start with column C right here. I'm just going to select that at the top. And again, to select until column E, I'm going to drag that blue dot like so. There you have it. So now we have selected the columns that we want to group together. And to group that together, I'm just going to tap on them. There we have it. Same thing, we're going to keep on tapping on that arrow pointing to the right until we see the option of group C to E. There you go. So it's at the very end, and if we tap on it, we will have that same minus sign at the top of our columns that will tell you if you want to collapse those group columns or to expand them. There you have it. So we have both our group columns expanded at the moment. If we want to collapse them, just tap on those minus sign and it will be hidden. And to tap on the plus sign again to expand those group rows and columns, there you have it. So that's how you can group your rows and columns in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.